Hey guys, terrible way to end a Tuesday. Today's August 11th, 2020, and I'm very ticked off at my Ram Ecodiesel 2017 1500. While it was still under base warranty, under the 336, the service electronic throttle body or throttle control light came on. It goes into limp mode, turbo's inactive, you can barely drive the vehicle. So I took it to a local dealer and they returned it to me saying the light wasn't on. They found no problems with it, but they did a few flash updates to the PCM. So it was good for probably 20-some thousand miles, and it came on again. Now, of course, it's out of base warranty, but I have an extended warranty. So I took it to the dealer, different dealer. They had the truck for over 2 weeks, said they replaced this and that, and I was good to go. Well, that was roughly 1,500 miles ago. Driving home from work tonight, guess what? The light is back on. The engine is off, that's why the oil light. But there it is. Check engine light's back on. I have this chintzy little scanner. And what code do we have? Yeah, the P0299. And it's just ridiculous. Something I did notice in the scanner, and I used to be a Chrysler tech, but I haven't done it in quite a few years, so I'm not sure what this abbreviation is. IAT 21, 22, and 23. Intake air temperature, maybe. But look what the reading is. 40 degrees below zero. So obviously that can't be good. Then we scroll down through the data when the code happened. I'm not sure what EGRB maybe error is. Minus 100%. That's a pretty low number. And then we continue down, and we have EGR RTA 1,522 degrees. That doesn't sound right. EGR TB, throttle body maybe? I don't know. Minus 40 again. All these minus 40s are just ridiculous because it was almost 90 degrees when I was driving home, ambient air. And this is another one, I'm not sure what it means. FRPA command, 16,844.7 PSI. If there's anything in this truck that's running at that kind of pressure, there's, I can't imagine it staying together. But, there's another one, FRTB, minus 40 degrees. And I thought there was one more that caught my attention. Yeah. The CACT 122122, minus 40. EGT 11, exhaust gas temperature maybe. 1,083 degrees. That seems awfully high as well. EGT 14 minus 40 again. So this is the third time I've had this issue with the light. And again, the truck is absolutely not drivable. It goes into limp mode, shuts down the turbo. I had it floored coming up this small grade just to get home, and I was doing 26 miles an hour. So not only is it dangerous, it's ridiculous on fuel economy and safety and so on. I'm not even sure why I made this video. I think I just needed to complain. But I'll tell you, if you're thinking of buying one of these Ecodiesels, I don't know if the newer ones have this issue solved, but I would really do some homework and think twice about it. So I don't even know what to say. I'm just thoroughly disgusted that I can't drive a truck that I paid well over $40,000 for, and it started while it was under base warranty, and now I'm paying for the extended warranty deductible to fix a problem that should have been fixed, that never should have occurred. So yeah, I'm a little bit ticked. I probably should end this video. And just saying again, I warn you guys, if you're thinking about an Ecodiesel, to really do your homework. Try and get all the service history if you're buying something used, especially the warranty history. Chrysler dealers can do that if they'll cooperate. But man, just before you spend your hard-earned money on one of these things, just do your homework and make sure you're getting what you think you're getting. All right, man, enough of my whining. You guys have a great night, and we'll talk soon.